Hey guys, thank you so much for coming and checking out this video. This is a great one. I had so much fun making this, and everybody else involved, along with the collaboration of what we did with That Racing Channel, had a great time. If you guys have not checked their video out, they are absolute masters at producing videos. Check out That Racing Channel right after this video. So guys, we built KaterTot in about a month. This is a K24A2, so that is a 2.4 liter turbo Honda engine, and it is turned up probably within an inch of its life. It makes about 580 wheel horsepower, and this thing is about 2,200 pounds, so we take on some really, really fast cars. But before we go any further, I wanted to say thank you guys so very much for our last merch drop, all of the support that you guys have given. You make events like this possible. So please check out our store. All your support really makes a giant difference to us so that we can continue to produce stuff like this. We got hats, t-shirts, lanyards, stickers. We even have a few posters that are signed by all the Fasterproms crew of Uncle Sam when he won the LS Fest Burnout Contest. Headers all glowing, sick poster. Let's get on with the video.
Sir, I was trying to Uber to McDonald's. It's a little detour, or?
I got you.
Got him. That was a good run, bro.
They're like dead nuts. Supercharged turbo.
Yeah, you got him by like half a car.
That was sick.
That was awesome, bro.
That supercharged LSA, yeah, 5.3, and this is a turbo 5.3.
So that thing just all the low end torque, just all, and then little turbo got him up top.
Yeah, he makes a lot more torque. I make like 50 more horsepower.
It's definitely sketchy, man. All right, I got another race for us. So Millsy, the track manager here, has a 700 wheel horsepower C7 that we tuned, and it's pretty nasty.
Oh, that sounds like a phenomenal race.
I mean, he's almost as fast as Ben's car, and Ben's got the fastest V3, you know, so we went 960s, 142, and it's an in-betweener.
Yeah.
It's probably a 670 car in itself.
Yeah.
You know, in the age.
Right.
And I mean, it should trap 105.
Got Millsy in a C7. Come on, Jeremy. Take out that ProCharge C7. That was pretty sick. He's hiding. Dude, I didn't know what to expect there, but that was awesome.
Cool, man.
I mean, coming by here, you're 2 cars in front of him.
Okay. No, that car's fast though. I mean, he's like that less, you know, fast than Ben right there. Yeah. I don't know if I want to go toe to toe with that.
I'm riding this thing again.
Okay.
Out of the puddle. Oh, I'm gonna get wet.
The whole thing with KaterTot is it feels so violent. I just really don't have any way of gauging how fast it really is. I thought my butt dyno was pretty well accurate. It might have been a little bit off. Guys, a couple weeks back we did a video with this M4. This thing makes 780 wheel horsepower, and he's actually the fastest draggy 60 to 130 I believe it's 5.62 seconds. Manual trans car, and it is so much fun to drive. Traps about, I think, 141 and a half, 142 miles an hour or so. Wicked fun car.
Way to run him?
Yeah, I think so. That car's fast.
That'd be cool.
You want to try it? I think we should do it. I expect to get beat, but...
Dude, it rides.
I can't believe I just beat that car. That car's fast as hell.
It is.
Hey! I think I got one more. This thing rides out. I've seen this thing already go down the track so many times, but every time it surprises me. Like a really sketchy street bike.
Yeah, this thing is wild, man. This thing's pretty unique. It's got a chilled, like the blower coolant runs through the car's air conditioning system, so it doesn't. I don't have to worry about heat soak or anything like that.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Condensation. Oh, that's ice cold.
Yeah. It gets down to like 26 degrees.
This is like the perfect like daily right here.
Sealed motor, stock blower. George ported it. We're on like the 3rd revision of porting, just trying to like milk every last bit of horsepower we can out of it.
All right, fellas.
I didn't think I'd be here.
You didn't think you'd make it to the top tier
No.
with the world's fastest bolt-on V3.
Let's just see what happens. I got it turned up right now. We'll get it.
Ah, I bet he's got a good tuner.
Man. He's going for it.
960s at 142? Yeah, something like that.
KaterTot's been straight twice. KaterTot hit the wall. In the arms of an angel. Ben in the V3 versus KaterTot. This is gonna be good. Ben better gab KaterTot. If not, I'm so happy for KaterTot.
It moves so much, though. I mean, can you guys see it over there?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, but that car is fast, though, dude. Super fast. It's so clean, and I can't believe it. I didn't think that would happen.
Yeah, man.
I didn't think that would happen. You haven't even ridden into this yet.
No.
You gotta do that.
Now I kind of want to. Before I was like, it's a little sketchy, but I think it's worth it now.
Awesome, man.
Good run, guys.
Heck yeah.
I smelled some oil as I was coming back, and I'm like, what the hell? Something. I feel like it's coming from your turbo.
Yeah. Either that or got kicked up there.
Hey, sacrificing turbo to leave with the belt, baby! You just beat freaking Ben, are you kidding me?
And me.
I know! What the heck? Is that all it is? It's a turbo?
It's not the feed, if anything, it's the drain.
Yeah. Dude, it's time to turn this unit up.
It's leaking oil.
Maybe we have a different definition.
Yeah, you want me to fire it up and see?
Yeah, fire it up, see if it's liquid.
Well, guess you got to put a 76 on it. Then I'm coming back for a ride for sure.
I think we're gonna do rods and pistons, but that's probably the prudent decision there.
Does it feel like good?
Dude, it feels amazing.
Dude, it looks so good. I can't believe you just won.
And so I've seen every video of this car, but seeing it in person is like a whole other experience. I don't even like have words to describe like how terrifying and insane this is, but I love everything about it.
Thanks,
so
man.
super cool.
I'm so glad that you guys came up, man. It was awesome.
It's been a blast for sure.
I saw this a little earlier that this was broken and that was broken. I'm like, dang, man, that's what a day. But holy crap, look at this guy right here. We definitely have impeded our flow there.
Blocking off
Dude.
all our airflow.
Yeah, this thing is taking a beating. Kater needs a little makeover.
There we go.
And all that junk is going straight through our intercooler right
It
there.
was
You can see
blocking
right
the inlet to the turbo.
Kind of what I figured with everything, with the lights and everything. I kind of
Still got
all over that.
Yeah, so our turbo flange got a little bit loose.
Yeah.
Just the vibration on this thing is wicked.
The bolts just backed out.
It's got that oil in there now. It's gonna be ugh. KaterTot just whooped on a 960 car.
Dude, I can't say nothing, you know?
That's so crazy.
I did not expect that. Like, exactly what you did to me, I thought I was going to be able to do to you. Like, I thought I would jump out and be able to hold you off, but...
You ain't the only one, dude. I'm blown away. All right, we got our flange all tightened up. Just got to try and clean that up. A little bit of a mess here. Gonna throw some oil back in there and we'll be back at it. I can't believe this thing lives to fight another day. I thought it was blown up for sure, too. I thought I cashed in all my tokens right there.
Yeah.
Well, guys, we got KaterTot repaired, and I wanted to be able to take Javier from That Racing Channel. I wanted to give him a nice wheelie. Hopefully not break anything.
Not only did we snap an axle,
Bluetooth axles.
Bluetooth axles,
Yeah.
plural.
New stuff.
We snapped
Cutting edge.
both axles, one wheelie, two axles. That's what you call, what do you even call that, man?
I mean, I want to say it was cool, but it really wasn't all that cool. It kind of just made like a bang and then revved up.
Looks like it hurt.
It definitely.
He got no legs.
You know that wind-up car thing where you pulled the string real fast and it got real high RPM?
That was, yeah, it revved up all the way.
That's what this is. Yeah, they got lifetime warranty.
Well, it seemed like a good idea at the time. Guys, we're going to get KaterTot back together and get that thing ripping again. I had so much fun making this video, so guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you guys have not subscribed to us, please hit that subscribe button and also help our channel grow by liking and sharing our videos. Also, check out That Racing Channel's version of this video. It is awesome. Guys, we will see you very soon. Wanted to leave you with a quote real quick. The government exists to protect us from each other, where government has gone beyond its limits in deciding to protect us from ourselves. That was Ronald Reagan. Song I want to leave you with, guys, can be none other than Back in Black by AC/DC. I mean, KaterTot looks freaking awesome back in black. God bless you guys. See you next episode.